Hey guys, in this lesson, I will teach you how to install a trading bot on the MetaTrader5 platform. To install the bot, you need to, on the MetaTrader5 platform, take this in the file menu, click with the left mouse button and see such a folder in the drop-down menu. And it says Open Data Folder. Click on this folder and the internal directory of the MetaTrader5 platform automatically opens, which is located on the C drive of your computer, assuming you have Windows. So, moving on. We see it says MQL5 here. MQL5 is a folder which contains expert advisors, that is trading bots, indicators, additional files, some scripts. This is the main folder we work with. Here is the experts folder. Experts are the expert advisors that in the MetaTrader platform system represent trading bots. A trading bot is an expert advisor in MetaTrader. So we open this folder. I already have some software installed here, but we will install additional software together. For example, the one you will receive as part of this course from us for free. So I've opened this folder and we have here gone the MetaTrader5 in the SATA format for the MQL5 platform. We drag this file into the experts folder, copied, and here we also have set files. Set files are configuration setting files for our trading bot. Here we look inside, you see there is the name of the currency pair, some designation. That's how this set file was named. But we also need to drag these files, but not into this folder. Don't rush. So put here in the MQL5 folder. If you don't have a directory for set files, you need to create one. So I create a folder for this, a new folder, and name it. This is mandatory. Such a name. I name it presets. This is the presets folder, the settings folder. Into this folder, the preset, we copy our set files. That's it. We close both folders. And here, we switch to MetaTrader5. If both of these windows are closed, we take the menu item, this one, click it, and then first, from the drop-down menu, we select Market Overview. This way we open the assets we can trade on. You see, in the Vice trading platform, there are simply thousands of different assets. We are currently interested in any currency pair. Gonzo Trader trades on 3 currency pairs, outcut. That is the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar and the Australian and the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Here we have 3 currency pairs. We take them, let's say, outcut. Let's take, for example, the M15 quote chart. And here, we proceed further. Again, this menu item, we click and select another tab. This one in the menu item, Navigator, we click. An additional window has opened. You see they can be resized here. These are active windows. They can be changed. Here we see the selection of the software that I have installed on this computer. So here I find expert advisors. Select in the menu, right click, and do a refresh. In this way, my information is updated, everything that I have installed inside the root directory, including Gonzo Trader v3, which I just installed. We drag, simply click with the left mouse button, drag this file onto the platform. Right here. So here we click on the download button and enter the folder, presets. The platform automatically determines the settings folder where it should take the files from. And here we are, we have these set files that we sent here copied. So here, considering that we are trading on a currency pair, Australian dollar against Canadian dollar, we chose it for trading. We select this currency pair here. We see that these are the settings for the time frame. H1, we have M15. When this window is active, we cannot change anything. So we can revert everything back by clicking here on H1. By the way, don't forget that we should already have the auto trading function enabled. We can disable it and then enable it again. Again, this button should be active. Here the time frame should be H1. As for Gonzo, the trading bot, each trading bot has a different time frame for trading. If you are going to use a different trading bot, then determine and inquire about which time frame you need. Here we take H1 back, pull Gonzo the trader here. We go again. Here we go into the set files. Here, by selecting outcut, we have it. It will enter the pair. We find it here too. Open it like this. And now we have all the settings loaded. From this set file here, they automatically entered all the necessary information for the bot. That is, they set the parameters for it, by which it will open and close trades. We click OK. And our trading bot has started trading. This first trade has just occurred. I won't show you exactly how the full functionality of this platform will be. We have a separate lesson on how to use the trading bot and on the platform and all its functions. This lesson, this particular one, is only about how to install the software on this platform. And accordingly, the trading bot, how to set it up so it starts trading, to see how the bot trades. We need to go here again in the menu and I'll select toolbox. Here we have this toolbox already open. This is our first trade. Some point and already profits are coming in. So here, when trades are closed, they will go into the history section. Here we will see changes in the deposit. You see here my balance demo. And on the demo account, I, for example, will be testing some trading bots. With the broker, you can open a large number of various accounts, including demo and real accounts. And on each account, you can test, or on a real account, you can already engage in profitable trading for your enrichment. So in general, we have installed a trading bot on the platform, and it has already started making the first trades. Everything is very simple for us. That's all for now.